Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding the LVNV trade line and collecting proof. Pull your 3 credit reports and locate the LVNV entry, then copy account numbers, balances, and dates. Once done, compile payment histories, any prior settlement agreements, and identity documents to prove ownership. You will use these immediately for disputes and validations. Make sure to timestamp everything and keep originals. This first step reduces delays and gives you the evidence to challenge, reporting, and verify who actually owns the debt. Next, send a debt validation letter to LVNV by certified mail. Demand proof of the original creditor and chain of ownership. Simultaneously, dispute the item with each credit bureau and attach your evidence. Copies only, never originals. Explain why the entry is inaccurate or unverifiable and request deletion or correction. Once filed, monitor the Bureau's 30-day investigation window and log every response. If LVNV fails to validate, the bureaus must remove the entry. If they respond, finally, act on the investigation outcome. If LVNV cannot validate, demand deletion and verify that all 3 bureaus removed the trade line. If they validate, negotiate a written pay-for-delete or a settlement with explicit removal terms. Never accept verbal promises. Once you have a written agreement, pay as specified and follow up until the bureaus update. If disputes stall or documentation is fraudulent, escalate, file an identity theft report, submit a CFPB complaint, and consider consulting a consumer attorney. That troubleshooting path for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.